G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out.
I'm going to do a basic defense here from when someone's on the mount and hitting me down like this. So the first thing I want to do to protect myself is to not take my hands away from my face, because if I do that then I'm open and exposed to get hit. So I have my hands in front of my head the whole time and my elbows squeezed. That way I've got protection when I get hit. So hit down a couple of times. So I'm a little bit safer. The second thing I want to do is make sure my head and shoulders are off the floor. So if I do get hit, or when I get hit in the arms, the flex is in my kind of in my chest and back and neck, compared to if my head's flat on the floor and I get hit like that and then it's just compression. So we want to avoid that. So it's hands up and ab crunch. Now when he hits like this now, I'm going to wait. I'm not going to take my hands off my head at all, and I just bridge up with my hips so he goes forward onto the floor. So bridge up, sorry, get hit. I bridge up, my hands still stay on my head, and I don't take them off my head until my elbows touch his chest. Now when that happens, I replace my head on his chest and I hug his body nice and tight. And I don't take my face off because my face is safe under here. Now when he pulls back to get a better position, that's when I let my grip go. And whichever hand feels better, as he pulls back, I overhook and pin the hand on the side that I'm going to bridge with. Bridge up and roll to my left to here. So come this way a little bit. So I've bridged and come up, but I want to keep my head on his chest for safety. So he's still, if he's going to hit me, it's going to be a little bit weird because the position's strange. So I'm here, and then I go straight from this position to out of range. I don't want to hang around in the hitting zone at all. So once we bridge and roll, my head stays on his chest, and then it goes up and out of range. And then from then on we just work on something different from there. So we'll do the drill once more. Maybe we'll start this way from there. So my hands are up, my head's off the floor, he hits, protect, bridge up, my hands stay on my head touches his chest, release my hands and hug. When he goes to reposition himself, they come back. I overhook one of the arms, it doesn't matter which one, as long as I roll and bridge and roll the direction that I get the arm. So I've got this one on the left hand side, bridge, roll, head on the chest for safety. When I feel good, push back, and I'm safe from there.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.